students, we are going to study oxidation reduction reaction. Okay, so first of all, what is oxidation? Oxidation is what? Addition of oxygen. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or what? Removal of hydrogen. For example, if with the example we can understand. For example, we have taken what? Sodium. Sodium plus oxygen. Oxygen is being added to sodium. It forms what? Sodium oxide. So this is what? Oxidation reaction. Okay. Now here H2S plus O2 gives what? H2O plus 2S. So what has happened over here? Here addition of oxygen has taken place, or you can say that here what has been removed? Hydrogen has been removed from sulfur. Okay. So here all removal of hydrogen has taken place. Here addition of oxygen has taken place. Okay. Now reduction. What is reduction? It is addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen, just opposite to oxidation. Okay, in this hydrogen is added and oxygen is removed. Example, we can see sulfur. If we add hydrogen to it, it forms hydrogen sulfide. Okay, here what is happening? We are seeing in this we can also define by removal of oxygen. So here oxygen is being removed. Okay, so as the result, now zinc oxide is becoming what? Zinc. And so it is being reduced. So here what has happened? Removal of oxygen has taken place. Here addition of hydrogen has taken place to explain what? The reduction reaction. Now we have studied oxidation, reduction. Basically all the reactions are what? Redox reaction. Means in those reactions what? Oxidation and reduction occur in the same reaction. Okay. For example, I have taken copper oxide plus hydrogen gives copper plus H2O. Okay, so in this what has been reduced? Copper has been reduced to what? Copper oxide has been reduced to copper. So here what has taken place? Reduction. Okay, in this you can see oxygen has been removed, and now from copper oxide it has become what? Copper. Okay, and in this second one, in this hydrogen, you can see what has happened to hydrogen. In this oxygen has been added. So what has it become? It is what? Oxidation. So in this reaction you can see what? Oxidation and reduction is occurring simultaneously or in the same reaction is known as what? A redox reaction. Okay. So now here what is an oxidizing agent and what is a reducing agent? The name itself suggests oxidizing agent. If I am saying, it means if it reacts with any other substance, it will oxidize it. Okay. So it gives oxygen or remove hydrogen and causes oxidation of other substances. So oxidizing agents, they will what? Oxidize the other substances, but itself they will be getting reduced. Okay, and reducing agent, just opposite to oxidizing agent. What will happen in this reducing agent? It gives hydrogen, or it gives hydrogen, or it removes oxygen. Okay, so how it does? Reducing agent means what? If it is reacting with other substance, okay, it is reducing it. How it will reduce? By giving hydrogen or removing oxygen from that substance, isn't it? So reducing agent, it reduces other substances, but itself gets oxidized. Okay, so from this example we can see copper oxide, okay, plus hydrogen. So this is what? Copper oxide is a oxidizing agent because it gives oxygen to this hydrogen. So what is this? This is a copper oxide is a oxidizing agent. Okay, itself it is getting reduced, but it is oxidizing this hydrogen. Okay, and here hydrogen, what it is? It is acting as what? A reducing agent, because what it is doing? It is being what? With which it is acting, it is reducing it by what? Taking it what? The oxygen. Okay, so here it becomes what? The reducing agent. This hydrogen. Okay, it gives the hydrogen and removes the oxygen. oxygen from this substance. Okay, so it becomes what? The reducing agent. Okay, so this is how we can explain oxidizing and reducing agent in simple terms. Okay, now let us study some more the electronic concept of oxidation and reduction. So electronic concept of this oxidation and reduction says what? That a substance, if it gives the electrons, okay, it is what has happened? Oxidation has taken place. If it takes the electrons, so there what is happening? Reduction is taking place. For example, I have taken copper plus iodine. It forms what? Copper iodide. How the reaction takes over? See, this copper, it gives 2 electrons. So what is happening to this copper? Copper is being oxidized, isn't it? Here oxidation is being taken place. Okay. Now here this iodine takes these 2 electrons. Okay, to form what? Iodine, 2 iodine in the atomic form. Okay, so now we are adding just these 2 reactions. Okay, so when we are adding these 2 reactions, what happens? Here C2 plus I2, okay, plus 2 electrons. Okay, and here C2 plus 2I minus. It becomes what? CuI2. Okay, this joins with this to form what? CuI2 and 2 electrons. So now these 2 electrons will be cancelled, and this is how you got what? Copper iodide. Here you will be writing what? 2 plus, and you will be writing here what? 2 minus. So here this has what? Given the electrons, so it is oxidized. This has taken, so it is reduced. Okay. So here you can see this. What is this oxidizing agent then? Oxidizing agent is what? Which is gaining the electrons, and the reducing agent is what? It is oxidizing agent what? It gains the electrons in terms of electronic concept. And reducing agent is what? Which loses the electrons. So this is the concept of what the electronic concept, in which if any element is giving the electrons, it is oxidation. If it is taking the electrons, it is reduction. If we explain in terms of this oxidizing agent and reducing agent, also in terms of this electronic concept, those which gain the electrons are the oxidizing agent, which loses the electrons are the reducing agent. Okay, this is all for today. Good day, take care.